friends. Welcome back. I thought we'd read Toot and Puddle by Holly Hobby today. I love Toot and Puddle. They are pigs that are best friends. And this is a story about one of the pigs goes traveling and sends postcards in the mail. All right, here we go. Toot and Puddle. Oh, there they are, playing baseball. Or catch. And there's one of them reading a book that says Pigtails. Toot and Puddle lived in Wood Pocket. Oh, look at all that snow. It was such a perfect place that Puddle never wanted to be anywhere else. Toot, on the other hand, loved to take trips. He had been to Cape Cod, the Grand Canyon, and the Redwood Forests. There's Puddle, who loves staying at home, and there's Toot, who's looking for his next place to go. One day in January, Toot decided to set off on his biggest trip ever. He decided to see the world. "Do you want to come along?" he asked Puddle. "We could start with someplace warm and wild." Oh my goodness. He has a lot of things that he's carrying. Puddle preferred to stay home. Some people like to stay home. Look, he's watching TV, putting on boots to go outside. "I love snow," he thought. Here he gets his first postcard from Toot. "Dear Puddle, I've made some new friends in Africa. Is winter getting boring? Toot." Oh my goodness, what are those new friends? There's Toot and all the hippos. Meanwhile, presenting Puddle at Pocket Pond. Oh my gosh, look. Puddle's doing some ice skating. Here's another postcard. "Dear Puddle, Egypt is awesome. The pyramids are the greatest. Wish you could meet me at the oasis. Your friend, Toot." Oh, there's the postcard. And there's Toot on the camel. March meant maple syrup. Puddle wished Toot were there to taste the pancakes. Fresh maple syrup is always so awesome. "Dear Puddle, can you believe I'm in the Solomon Islands? There in the Pacific Ocean. I spend all day underwater. I love being in a school of fish. Has spring come yet? Your pal, Toot." Do you see Toot swimming? Yes, spring had arrived. Puddle was having mud season. Yay. Oh, this reminds me of some of you guys during our outdoor time. And look, he wrote, "I love mud." It's on the bathtub. "Hi, Puds. I'm in India. Is this a dream? It's your birthday, March 3rd. Hope your party is the best. Friends forever, Toot." Wow. Pretty cool. Back at Woodcock Pocket, "For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow that nobody can deny." And they're all singing happy birthday to Puddle. "Dear Puddle, help! Mountain climbing is scarier than jumping out of a plane. Remember when I talked you into going parachuting? Your friend in the Alps, Toot." Oh goodness, that looks a little dangerous. Puddle remembered. There's Puddle jumping out of the plane with Toot. Puddle, you would love Matador Camp. The bull's name is Dandio. Bravo from Spain. Toot. See, and there's Toot. He has his name on his hat. And there's Luis, and Juan, and Paco, and Jose, and Pablo. Those are the other pigs in Matador Camp. In July, presenting Puddle at Pocket Pond. Every time he jumped in, he cheered, "Ole!" Dear Puddle, August is cold in Antarctica, but I've made more friends here than anywhere yet. Are you going to the beach this year? I miss you. Do you miss me? Friends forever, Toot. And look, the penguins are in Antarctica, right? And you'd have to go to the Arctic, the North Pole, to see the polar bears. Looks like they're having some s'mores or marshmallows. Yes, Puddle missed his friend. Dear Pudsey, bonjour from Paris. Art is everywhere. Love is in the air. Au revoir. Toot. He's in Paris, France, seeing the Mona Lisa, which is this painting right here. I love art, thought Puddle. So Puddle got inspired by seeing the postcard. Started painting. Dearest Pudzio, Italy is heaven. It's one big treat. Your friend Tuzio. All those pastries. Meanwhile, it was Halloween in Woodcock Pocket. Puddle decided to be horrifying. Oh, look at his costume. One morning in November, Toot woke up and thought, it's time to go home. And he sends a letter, and Toot gets it, and he goes, yay! Or Puddle gets it, and he says, yay, Toot's coming home. And he gets, look, he's cleaning and cooking and brushing his teeth and putting flowers out. December called for celebration. Here's to all your adventures around the world, said Puddle. Here's to all your adventures right at home, said Toot. And here's to being together again, Toot and Puddle said at the same time. Toot was happy to be back in his own bed, and Puddle was happy too. I wonder if it will snow all night, Puddle said. I hope so, said Toot. Then we'll go sliding, said Puddle. And skiing, said Toot. Good night, Toot. Good night, Puddle. Aw, what good friends. All right, since it's raining again outside, let's sing. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and he bumped his head and he couldn't get up until the morning. All right, I hope it's a nicer day tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye.